Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to use T function, means text function in Excel. So the text function works as if you will apply this formula, if there is a text in the cell, the Excel will return the text, or otherwise the cell will be remain blank. So I will write here the formula equal and simple press T and press tab and select the value and enter. So you can see, as there was a text in the cell, the formula has returned the text. Now I will expand this formula to remaining cells, and here you can see where the text was returned, the Excel has returned the value, and where the numbers were returned, it hasn't returned any value. So this is how you can use text function in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped you, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.